I'm in San Francisco this weekend with my 11 college roommates. Okay, so this is what we're up to. We're staying at this awesome house, and we just use Airbnb, and 12 of us are staying here all together. It's gonna be so fun. And tomorrow we're going to Alcatraz. We're gonna ride bikes across the Golden Gate. We're gonna do some shopping and just overall have an awesome time. I like that Brittany's like posing for it. It's a time to show. It's a video. Hey Jamie, show us what you got.
I'm a proud owner.
So today we are going to ride bikes across the Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, Heather and Amber are biking special. Tell us about your bike, girls.
Top of the line tandem bike just for the Golden Gate Bridge. We requested it specifically because we had a tandem bike in childhood. We're experts.
Brittany, if we're lost, we lost together. Who is behind us? I can't even think. Shanlin, the twins. Lindsay's ahead of us. Amber's ahead of us. Kim, and then behind. I don't know if they're behind or in front. I think Kim's in front. I know. I think we might be going the wrong way. Because look. Brittany and I are going on our own trip.
I'm like asking that construction worker guy.
Wait, Britt, are we going to be the last ones now? I'm trying this deep fried French toast. Look at that. And I haven't put syrup on it. I'm just gonna go with butter for a second. Okay, that tastes like funnel cake or something else delicious. That is so good. Is it good?
Delicious.
We're headed over to the pier now to get on the ferry for Alcatraz.
We're at Alcatraz.
You
I said you should do the clip, show it, and then like reverse it like yeah, this right there. Yeah. We're at Rome for dinner.
I got the chalet burger and I asked for the Parmesan truffle fries on the side, which is normally a topping, but they let me have it as a side. We are going to By Right Creamery. Will you eat at the creamery, Lindsay? That's the question.
I probably won't, but I will.
You're gonna just eat that like that, huh, Jamie?
你从哪里来？
China，
哪一个地方？
广东。
广东。
I know where you live. And I know where you live, Karina. Brittany, tell us why you are leaving us.
Okay, I'm nursing a child. And I have another reunion and or fun that like my family thinks I need to be to it.
What's a good synopsis of the day, Jamie?
Early rising.
We got up early. We went to
out
bed
the door.
late.
Dude, that was your fault. Why do you keep me up so late?
Do you like want to chat with me? Because I'm so fun.